Hey guys, Dr. Decks here. Today, I want to talk to you about a new tool we just received called the rapidrafter. All right, what's up with this rapidrafter? Well, it looks like an ordinary square. It's red, white, and blue, but it has a really cool feature that some of you may seem to want to use. But before I show you what that feature is, I'm gonna ask you to click that subscribe button and hit the bell icon if you want to be notified when we're putting out new content, as only 18% of you subscribe to our channel. And that's it. Let's get that average up, guys. All right, so what's really cool about this product, now this is a plastic square. It's not a Martinez. You know, I've got my nice $250 titanium square right here, right? This really doesn't compare as far as longevity or quality. This is designed for, in my opinion, for one purpose and really one purpose only. And that's because this square is actually two squares connected together. So it pulls apart, it becomes a double hinged, double-sided square that goes over both sides of a joist. So what this thing does is when you're doing your layouts and you have to double up over something, you can easily mark both sides at the same time and the top as you go. So there you go. There is a complete set of markings. You don't have to do the same thing with a standard square, you gotta go like this, and then you gotta go like this, and then you gotta go like this. Okay, and I would say I probably do this type of marking personally. I probably do it, I don't know, maybe 10 or 15% of the time, but I'm sure there's a lot of framers out there that do it a lot more than that. So it folds back into a standard speed square like so. So you can use it just like a standard speed square. Let's go ahead and take this sticker off. I've been holding this sticker for you guys all week. Okay, so you have your standard rafter markings, your hips, all that stuff's on here, your top cuts, valleys, and then there's also a couple other features on here. Like, I kind of use this one sometimes if I'm trying to lay something out, and let's say I need to make a 4-inch line, you can still do that kind of stuff with it, where you're marking a square line parallel with the edge of your board, and it's dual-sided, so that's all great. Like I said before, it's plastic, so it does flex. There's some flex to it. You know, it's basically the same quality or caliber of any other plastic square that you see at your local hardware store, except you can grip with it, you can grab with it, so you can actually hold that to make those lines on both sides. So it does come in pretty handy for that, I must admit. So if that's something that you think you might be interested in, you can go to rapidrafter.com. The square retails for $24.99. Don't shoot the messenger. That's how much it costs. If you're interested, go check them out. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you liked it, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Don't forget to leave a comment below and like this video. We really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.